Hi guys, my name's Niamh, I'm 24 and I'm an ambassador for Pure Nails. Today I'm going to tell you about my top 5 all-time favourite Pure Nails products and how to use them. So my first product is EasiBuild Dirty Bare Peach. This is the easiest product I've found for application. It's such a nice product to work with, and it self-levels, which means you've got less filing to do. This EasiBuild can be used as an overlay on the natural nail, giving them strength as well as a nice healthy natural colour. You can also use it for extensions, for sculpting or tips. And I think the best thing about this product is that it's like so versatile, and it can be used for the colour of the nails. So you can use it to like give the nails a nice natural colour and a healthy look, or you can file it and apply your favourite gel polish over the top of it. It's especially good for clients wanting to grow the natural nails out but who have problems with like thin, weak nails or ridges in their nails, discoloured nail beds. This covers all of it but it still looks nice and natural. So this is the Dirty Bare Peach pop. So my next favourite product is Elise from the La Parisienne collection. This colour is perfect for the barely there look. It's very popular amongst healthcare professionals who need natural nails, because you're still giving it a little bit of colour, but it looks that natural that it doesn't look like it just really enhances your natural nails. It covers any colour differences in the nail bed whilst keeping them looking natural, and it's also amazing for French polishes. This looks absolutely beautiful against French white. So this is Elise, and my favourite combination is the Dirty Bare Peach and Elise together. So if you can see like what a beautiful colour they create when they're on top of each other. Beautiful. So my next top pick is the Halo brush cleaner. This really is the best brush cleaner I've ever used. It's kept my brushes in such a good condition and it helps them last for so much longer. I do a lot of nail art and used to go through so many nail art brushes, but since using this I've had the same set of brushes for like ages. Like, it's unreal. It really does keep the brushes conditioned and helps keep the shape of the brush, which is, I think when you're using nail art brushes a lot, it's hard to keep the shape of them. All I do is pour a tiny little bit of this in a damping dish, wipe the excess product off my brush onto a lint-free pad, and then push my brush into the liquid and wipe it back off on a lint-free pad, and that's it done. My next top pick is the Do Powerful Hand Sanitizer. I think the best thing about this is how cheap it is for 500ml. Like, this is a 500ml bottle and you can see it's like the size of my head. One bottle does last a long time. It's also ideal for salons because as soon as the client enters the salon, you can spray the hands. I'll just show you. Turn it on. You can spray the hands. They can wash them thoroughly, and the clients aren't touching anything in the salon. Like, they don't have to physically pick something up or physically touch like a pump or anything like that. You're just doing that for them, so their hands are clean, and like now the things they touch are going to be clean. The best thing about it is there's no strong smell from this, which is amazing because I suffer from really bad headaches from strong smells. So this doesn't smell like not like a normal gel hand sanitizer. It hasn't got that really like strong smell. It smells like quite refreshing actually. So this product's made up with 99.84% water, but it kills 99.995% of bacteria, viruses, fungi and spores. It's hypoallergenic and pH neutral, which means it's really kind to your skin and really good for anyone with sensitive skin. But this is like my favourite hand sanitizer I've ever used. I've used like so many, like I try them all the time, and what I find is that my hands always get really dry as well, where I haven't had that problem with this. Like my hands are just, they're not dry. And so my last product is the Halo desk mat. So with everything that's going on, we need to be super conscious about waste. I think everything at the minute is single use, so instead of using like a load of couch roll on your desk that is going to get straight put back into the bin, that's not sustainable at all. So the best thing about this is all you need to do is spray it. I'll just show you. So I've sprayed it, and then I'm just gonna and that's that. It's clean. I think that is the best thing about this mat. It helps with waste. Like I'm really conscious about what I'm doing towards the environment. So I think instead of using a load of couch roll, it's better to use one piece to clean your mat. Do you know what I mean? It's also like a really good background for your nail work, so you can be loud and proud about your love for Halo because you can use it as a background to take your photos on. I've used this a few times and it does make a lovely background because with it being so dark it makes the colours pop, but then it's also got the Halo logo in the background. Not only this, but this mat doesn't slip on your desk, okay? So I've had mats before that I've had issues with all of them slipping on my desk, and every time I move it off the table by the time I'm halfway through my appointment. This doesn't move. Like you can push it and push it and push it and it doesn't move. The only way it's going to move is if you literally pick that up off your desk and move it yourself. You putting your arms on it and your elbows and stuff like that, it's not going to move, so it literally stays where you need it to. Okay, so those were my top 5 picks of my favourite Pure Nails products. Thank you for everybody for watching. I hope you all continue to support Pure Nails. It's an amazing brand with amazing people. Thank you.